Okay. Father, Son, Holy. You gonna do this? Come on. Come on. It's your fish, otherwise we can't. If you don't take care of your pet, we gotta send it off to heaven, okay? Ready? Come on, help me. Help me. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done. On earth as in heaven. Who do in the and there's not temptations there is real. Please forgive those who trespass against us. Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Do you want to do the flush?
Okay, do the flush, baby. He goes back to the ocean and go to heaven, okay? Come on, come on, come on. Flush the flush. You want me to do it? You want me to do it or you want to do it? Because once I do it, I can't redo it. Okay? Want me to do it? Bye-bye.